Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Ibn Shawki with name 23074010. Measurement 1, section 1, presentation. Look at this table 1. Name: aluminium, magnesium, copper, cast iron, lead, nickel, titanium, zinc. Semisal simbol: Al aluminium, Mg magnesium, copper Cu, Fe cast iron, Pb lead, Ni nickel, Ti titanium, Zn zinc. Density kilogram per meter cube: aluminium 2700, magnesium 1700, copper 8950, cast iron 7860, lead 11300, nickel 8900, titanium 4500, zinc 7100. Melting point degrees Celsius: aluminium 660 degrees Celsius, magnesium 651 degrees Celsius, copper 1083 degrees Celsius, cast iron 1535 degrees Celsius, lead 327 degrees Celsius, nickel 458 degrees Celsius, titanium 1725 degrees Celsius, zinc 420 degrees Celsius. Average tensile strength Newton per millimeter square: aluminium 90, magnesium 248, copper 340, cast iron 116, lead 15, nickel 172, titanium 216, zinc 110. Look at this statement about metal table 1. Aluminium has a density of 2.700 kilogram meter cube. Lead has a tensile strength of 15 Newton per millimeter square. Copper has a melting point of 1083 degrees Celsius. 4. Task 1. Now make similar statement about other metals. 4. Nickel has a tensile strength of 317 Newton millimeter square, which contributes to its use in high stress applications such as turbine blades and batteries. Zinc has a density of 7,140 kg per meter cube, making it dense enough for use in galvanizing, but lighter than many structural metals. 6. Titanium has a tensile strength of 430 Newton per millimeter square, making it incredibly strong and ideal for aerospace application. Look at these trenches which show this, how this how the density may be compared for the various metals. 1. Magnesium has a very low density. 2. Aluminium has a low density. Titanium has very low density. 4. Cast iron has a very high density. 5. Lead has a very high density. 6. Lithium has an extremely low density. 7. Zinc has a moderately high density. 8. Copper has a fairly high density. 9. Platinum has a very high density. 10. Nickel has a moderately high density. Task 3. Now name these metals. 1. A metal with a fairly high density, a very high melting point, and a fairly low tensile strength. Lead has a fairly high density, a relative high melting point, 300 to 7 degrees Celsius, and low tensile strength, 15 Newton per millimeter square. 2. A metal with a fairly high density, high tensile strength, and a very high melting point. Answer: nickel. Nickel has a high density, 8.908 kilogram per meter cube. High tensile strength up to 317 Newton per millimeter square, and a very high melting point, 455 degrees Celsius. 3. A metal with a low density, a fairly low melting point, and low tensile strength. Answer: aluminium. Aluminium has a low density, 2,700 kilogram per meter cube. A fairly low melting point, 360 degrees Celsius, and relatively low tensile strength, 90 Newton per millimeter square. In this pore form, a metal with a very low melting point, fairly low tensile strength, and a fairly high density. Answer: tin has a low melting point to 232 degrees Celsius. Low tensile strength about 15 to 5 Newton per millimeter square. A really high density, 7,310 kilometer per meter cube. 5. A metal with very low density, a very low melting point, and very high tensile strength. Answer: titanium. Titanium has a low density, 4,506 kilogram per meter cube. A very long melting point, 1,668 degrees Celsius, and very high tensile strength up to 1,000 Newton per millimeter square. 6. A metal with A metal with high density, a fairly high melting point, and very high tensile strength. Tungsten. Tungsten has an extremely high density. Since 1900, 19,250 kg per meter square. A very high melting point 3,422 derajat Celsius, and very high tensile strength up to 1,510 millimeter square. 7. A metal with high tensile strength, a high melting point, and a high density. Answer: steel. A law of iron. Steel, depending on composition, can have high tensile strength up to 100 Newton per millimeter square. A high melting point about 1370 mean 1530 derajat Celsius, and high density around 7,850 kg per meter cube. A metal with a very low melting point, very high density, and very low tensile strength. Answer: mercury. Mercury has a very low melting point, min 39 derajat Celsius, very high density, 13 kg per meter cube, and very low tensile strength. Sin is a liquid at room temperature. Look at the sample. Look at these examples. The lowest melting point of soft solder is 183 degrees Celsius. The highest melting point of soft solder is 310 degrees Celsius. So the melting point of soft solder ranges from 183 degrees Celsius to 310 degrees Celsius. The melting point of solder have a range of 100 to 127 degrees Celsius. Text 4. Now complete these ranges. A. The melting point of silver solder ranges from 620 degrees Celsius to 740 degrees Celsius. B. The lowest melting point of brass is 850 degrees Celsius. The highest melting point of brass is 100 degrees Celsius. The melting point of brass range from 840 degrees Celsius to 1000 degrees Celsius. C. The lowest melting point of monel metal is 1300 Celsius. It has a range of 150 degrees Celsius. Therefore, the highest melting point of monel metal is 1450 degrees Celsius. See you next week. Thank you.